Good morning, Standard 8 students. Today I am going to explain up to till last class I explained you about a square. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now today I am going to explain you the formula a. Once again I have already explained this one. Once again, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, these two formula, and on these two formula we have to solve the question given in 12b exercise, question number 4 and 5 especially. 8. So a plus b whole cube. The meaning of a plus b whole cube is a plus b is written how many times? 3 times. A plus b into a plus b into a plus b. Right? And when we multiply the a plus b together, you will get the result a square plus 2ab plus b square. These two bracket, then third bracket a plus b. Again when we multiply all these two bracket, then finally we will get the result a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And this is we are using as a formula of a plus b whole cube. 8. Similarly, a minus b whole cube. So one more. See here, a plus b whole cube. This is the formula. We can write in another form also. Write these two together, a cube plus b cube, and take common in these two. What is common here? Common here 3ab. What is left? A plus b. This is the right. So we can write this form also or this way also. Similarly, a minus b whole cube. Right? So a minus b whole cube means a minus b is written how many times? 3 times. A minus b, a minus b, a minus b. When you multiply these first two bracket, we will get the result. What result we will get? A square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third bracket is a minus b. When we multiply these two brackets together, then finally we will get a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b. And this is the formula of a minus b whole. Right? So a minus b whole cube formula, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. We can write in another form also. What are another form? Write a cube and b cube together. A cube minus b cube. And take common here. What is common here? Common here minus 3ab. Left a minus b. This is another form of a minus b whole cube. On these two formula, 8, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, these two formula, we have to solve the question based on these two formula. So once again, what is the result of a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, or a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube, take 3ab common plus 3ab, a plus b. Similarly, a minus b whole cube, aq minus bq, right? A minus b whole cube, that is equal to aq minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus bq, or aq minus bq together minus 3ab common, then inside the bracket left a minus b. So by using this formula we have to solve the questions. Now how to solve the questions? See here. 3x minus 2y whole square. Right? So this is based on a minus b whole cube. In place of a there is 3x, in place of b there is 2y. What is the result? A cube means 3x cube minus 3a. A is a square means 3x square into b means 2y plus 3 a is 3x, b means 2y into b square, 2y square plus minus b cube, b is 2y cube, right? So 3 3 and 9 3 are 27x cube, x cube. Now 3, this is 3x square means 9x square into 2y. This is 3 into 3x. 2y square means 4y square and 2y cube means 8y cube. Right? So 27x cube, 3 9 27 into 2 means 54x square y. 3 3 and 9 4 are 36x y square minus 8y cube. This is our answer. Right? 2x minus 1 by 2x cube. This is 2x cube minus 3 2x square into 1 by 2x plus 3 into 2x into 1 by 2x square minus 2x square minus 1 by 2x cube. Right? So this become 2 to the 4 to the 8x cube minus 3 4x square into 1 by 2x plus 3 into 2x into 1 by 4x square minus 1 by 8x cube. Right? 1x will be cancelled, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 1x will be cancelled. What is left? 8x cube minus 3 to the 6x plus here 3 by 2x left and 1 by 8x cube. This is our answer. Do you follow? Similarly, a plus 1 by 8 whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square 1 by a plus 3 into a into 1 by a square plus 1 by a cube. Now 1a will be cancelled, this cancelled. What is left? A cube plus 3a plus 3 by a plus 1 by a cube. This is our answer. Okay, thank you very much.